World War II was one of the deadliest conflicts in human history. It began on September 1 Est, 1939, when Germany invaded Poland, and it ended on September 2 N 1945, when Japan surrendered to the Allied powers. Over the course of 6 years, the war engulfed much of the world, resulting in the deaths of millions of people. The Second World War was fought between two opposing military alliances: the Axis powers, which consisted of Germany, Japan, and Italy, and the Allied powers, which included the United States, Great Britain, France, and the Soviet Union. The conflict involved almost every nation in the world, with battles taking place on land, at sea, and in the air. The war was fought on multiple fronts with different theatres of operation. In Europe, the war began with the German invasion of Poland and soon spread to France, the Soviet Union, and eventually all of Europe. In the Pacific, Japan launched a surprise attack on the U.S. naval base at Pearl Harbor, drawing the United States into the war. The war saw the use of new and deadly technology, such as tanks, submarines, and aircraft, and the development of new tactics, such as blitzkrieg and island hopping. The use of atomic bombs by the United States on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki brought an end to the war. The war had a profound impact on the world, resulting in the loss of millions of lives, the displacement of millions of people, and the destruction of cities and infrastructure. It also led to the emergence of the United States and the Soviet Union as superpowers, and the beginning of the Cold War. World War I was a global conflict that shaped the course of human history. It taught us about the devastating consequences of war and the importance of peace and diplomacy in resolving conflicts. Closing shot of soldiers standing in front of a war memorial. Let us remember the sacrifices